Hi guys, I'm back and I'm going to talk about how to request a custom order quote. So from Super Saturday, if you click the blog, once it opens, and excuse the delay, it's because we're recording. If you scroll down, the next option is custom order quote. So now if you don't know what type of wood you want, or you just have questions in general and you have an inspiration image, all you have to do is request a custom order quote. Most of you are used to posting these images on the Facebook event and waiting for us to answer. This is basically the same thing. You're just going to do it through our website now. The reason why we've launched our website is because Facebook algorithms has been actually deleting orders from our events and with no warning. And all of a sudden, order's closed and someone's paid for their order and their order is nowhere to be found. So now that we have control over it, it will go into our system and it'll stay in our system. So to request a custom order quote, you can click this link from the event, or if you go directly to our website, custom orders, custom order request. And it'll bring you to this form, and you basically just want to fill it out with all of your information. And then it's going to ask you for your billing address, and you're probably wondering why we need this. We do need this to create a invoice basically in our system to be able to send you pricing. So please fill out this information. It is required, and we don't use it for anything else but to invoice you. And then it's going to ask you, what do you want to order your order for? You can do pickup, or if you're attending one of these parties, and I'm going to do for March Super Saturday. Wood type request. Do you want regular craft wood, MDF, or do you want pine? Or are you just not sure? And then material for your word/images, vinyl, stencil, reverse vinyl. If you click vinyl, then you will choose your color here, and I'm going to go with red vinyl. And any notes that you want for your order, you're going to want to enter it in notes to designer. So you can say, please design close to my image. I also want a size similar. And fix that. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to upload your inspiration image. So earlier we talked about how to save an inspiration image, and I have some on my desktop. And you can also save to your, if you're doing this from your phone, just save to your gallery. And when you click upload image, it's going to take you to your gallery. And I know that some people have been saying that they're having image upload issues. And it's your phone settings, your carrier, your Wi-Fi. I can't control that. So all I can say is just keep trying. And if it fails and it keeps failing and you're frustrated, you can email us anytime. Email us with questions. You can use the contact form on our website as well. Just don't feel like you can't ask us questions. You can comment on the blog as well. At the bottom of the blog, there's a way to comment. And just click submit once your image is uploaded, and then you'll get this message. And it says, please allow 72 hours, but we will get back to you as soon as possible. Just keep in mind that we're often out at craft parties Friday evening through Sunday, and sometimes during the week as well. So in the next video, we are going to talk about our new option, Signs by Lily. And if this is something that you are interested in ordering, watch the next tutorial and we'll give you all the information on that.